How to make money selling on Depop. I'm going to show you how you can easily make money selling on Depop. Start by researching what items are currently trending. Look at popular sellers. See the types of products they offer and pay attention to pricing strategies. It's also helpful to research fashion trends, keywords, and hashtags that are commonly used on the platform. This will give you a better understanding of what types of items are in demand and how to position your products effectively. Once you have an idea of what sells well, it's time to source your inventory. You can find items at thrift stores, flea markets, or even used clothing you no longer wear. Another option is creating your unique pieces, such as custom or handmade clothing. Focus on items that fit Depop style, which usually centers around vintage, trendy, or sustainable fashion. Next, take high-quality pictures of your items. Good photos are key to making sales. Use natural light and a clean background to make the items stand out. Take pictures from multiple angles to show details like fabric texture, design features, and any imperfections. You might also want to model the clothing yourself, or use a mannequin to give buyers a better sense of how the items looks when worn. When you're ready to list your item, be as detailed as possible in the description. Include important information such as the size, material, condition, and brand of the item. Use clear, catchy titles to attract attention, and make sure to price your items competitively based on your research. Add relevant hashtags and keywords to make your listings easier for buyers to find. Finally, once an item is sold, it's important to prepare it for shipping. Pack the item carefully using padded envelopes or boxes to ensure it arrives safely. Depop offers shipping labels, but you can also handle shipping yourself if you prefer. Fast shipping and secure packaging can lead to positive reviews, which will help boost your reputation on the platform and lead to more sales.